So today I'm going to be showing you this awesome free app for digital artists called iArtBook. So when you open up the app, it's going to give you 4 different options. You can do painting, animation, tracing, and time-lapse. I usually start with painting, and if you go to new image, you can actually decide what size you want your canvas to be. I'm just going to go with one that I've made already, 3000 by 3000. So once it opens up, this is what your app should look like. And if you go over to the left, there's a paintbrush and it has all of these different options. I love every single one. They're so helpful. They even have ones that look like real paint, like oil paints, crayons, and then they have ones that look like leaves, flowers. They have rain, clouds, and it's really helpful because then as an artist, it's a quick brush and I don't have to create my own. Then probably my favorite thing about this app is that if you take 2 fingers and tap on the screen, it's gonna undo whatever you just did. So if I draw a line and I don't like it, I can just tap with my fingers and it'll get rid of it. It saves me time from having to always erase everything. Some other quick helpful features are on the sidebar. Once you pick your color and your brush, you can go over and adjust the size of your brush with the little lever. So if you want to make it thicker, you can. And then the one below it is opacity, but I really don't use that one. And then above the paintbrush, you can use the eraser for easy access. And again, you can adjust the size with that same lever. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. All the links are down below for the products I use. And another helpful thing I use on this app is the layers. So you'll be able to see what you're doing and then add a layer on top of that, and you can move the layers, and if it's above it, then it'll go on top of the previous one, and if it's below it, it'll go under your previous art. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. All the links are down below for the products I use.